Alright, so I just posted a video online and got this call. Partial power. It's starting to cool off. It's probably -2 outside right now. Super common for connections to burn up with all the load from the houses heating up for the first time in a while. And I showed up to this transformer and connections burning off. Super common. Fuses blowing. Super common. Actual transformer blowing up. Not super common, but I've seen it and it sucks. It's not something to mess around with. Not that exciting here, fortunately, but there is something I want to show you guys. When I rolled up onto this one, that street light up there was doing some awful funny flickering. I seen these drops on the sidewalk, and it is definitely transformer oil. So nothing blew up there, thank goodness. But as soon as I saw that, we're not gonna play around with that stuff. I opened that cutout right away. It's possible for that oil in that transformer to get so hot it'll actually boil, build up pressure, and blow the lid right off. It can be very, very dangerous. Oh yeah, she's hot. This isn't a real high quality thermal camera. I don't know if you can tell the red spot on the transformer. I'm not going to get an accurate temperature from this far away, but she's heating up. So I'm going to set up my truck, go up in the air, and take a closer look. Little clues like those spots in the ground you learn to kind of keep an eye out for. If this thing was still energized and the oil was boiling out of it, you don't want to be anywhere near it. You can see the oil was actually coming out of that bushing right there, running down the side. Got that cut it open right now, so no big deal. We caught it plenty early enough, so we'll give the other boys a shout, get them to load up a new transformer. We'll get this thing changed out. Shouldn't take long.